Hello everyone, how are you? Yeah, I was trying to. Did anybody get the Louisiana update on the numbers? It still says 8:37 in the morning. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now we have 1172 cases, and in Calcasieu Parish it jumped to 2 more cases, and Lafayette it's from 6 to 9. Okay. So virus is working effectively. You are the ones we are not able to contain it. Our efficiency levels are not able to match the virus at this point. So, oh, okay. So that's what they're doing. Before I was checking last night. Yeah. Now they're doing it. Okay. Got it. Yeah, it's probably they are stressed also. Like too much information to handle for them. Now 41 out of 64 parishes reporting, so they might have cut the shifts into 2 to limit the persons in the office. So understandable. Okay. So before one thing is I wanted to try today is how this quiz on Moodle works. So at 2:15 there will be a quiz that I posted. It's just like this, not a big quiz. I think it's 4 questions. I'm trying different modes of questions, and if you we will talk till 2:15, and then I will let you guys answer the quiz. It will not take more than 5 minutes, but I have given like 20 minutes for time limit. I want to see how that works, and if everybody finishes the quiz, we can continue the class. So In the meantime, I want to give you a few updates. It's been definitely very difficult to handle online in terms of everything that we have at this point. So, if anybody is getting delayed response, please bear with me. As long as you don't piss me off, I will get to you. But I know some of you are asking genuine questions. Uh, I am making a note of them. I'm not neglecting those questions. When the time is appropriate, I will answer those questions because there is advising started from last week, and I have allocated 30 minutes for advising, but it's taking like 1 hour because we are doing both summer and fall for the students. So as you know, they are all new and they don't know much about the curriculum. And also, I'm spending more time on capstone projects instead of 30 minutes. I happen to spend like more than 30 minutes or multiple sessions with few groups. So it's taking a lot of time, although I'm saving like 3 hours driving time, but it looks like I'm working more than I used to before. So I don't know whether you feel the same or not. Yeah. Don't worry about what the quiz is about. Just go ahead and answer what is in there. It's only for me. It's a trial. Okay. And this quiz is in 407, not in 412 because 412 I have two sections. I just want to try this in 407. So go ahead and get you the 407. And yes, Patrick, I am working on getting everybody the speed to carbon ratio and all those things. And we will get that as I'm working towards it. If you don't get an information, but like I said, I'm working towards a checklist that I have. I have like right now 44, and I only have like handful done because it's taking.
Hey, Dr. Vasan.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to cut you off or nothing, but being that we're talking about the project, I just wanted to let you know I drove up here today to try to get the at-home Aspen license on my computer.
Yeah.
And speaking with Miss Ramona, she told me that after today at 5 o'clock, they will not allow any students to be in here, even a one-on-one face-to-face meeting with her for any type of Aspen updates or anything like that.
Yes.
Also, Aspen is on a limited person basis, so I've been here since 10 and still don't have it on my computer because of the delayed response back and forth. So I know that poses a big problem, especially for people who don't have it yet, and those who do have it, it will be going out mid-April, and I don't believe we'll be having a second time to come up here and be able to renew it again.
Okay, so today we cannot do face to face, but I think I asked a couple of students to follow up with Ms. Ramona to see how we can do this remotely from parking lot, or if there is any other options she had figured out because we have to renew this away from home. So Sabrina, if you want to email and copy me on the email, please, that will help, saying that if we don't get this Aspen renewed, can we make an arrangement with Aspen?
Yes. As far as I know, I can go talk to her real quick because I'm sitting.
Mm-hmm.
What she told me was, you can't do it on your own, and you'd have to be here. And like she said, after tomorrow, it's a complete shutdown.
Yes.
Or look here, Miss Ramona's
Yeah,
right here.
that
She
is
said she can
that
speak.
that is the option that we, we had so far when everything is working and we had face to face meet with Ramona. But she has to come up with a way where you guys can remotely renew the license. So she has, yeah.
She's telling me that she's saying that that's not something that's going to be able to be done.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I know she's been in contact with Dr. Hall and everything on it, and I just don't know what, I don't know what their option is, because like I said, Aspen itself, the people who work for them are not, very few and far in between in office to even be doing things.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. I'm at a dead road right here as far as the project goes, because I know I won't be able to work on it because
Mm-hmm.
I don't have it.
Mm-hmm.
I also talked to Miss Ramona today. It's Allison. She said that the reason we would not be able to sit in our vehicles and update Aspen on our own is because your computer has to be directly plugged into McNeese's network port.
Uh-huh.
That's what's going to pose the issue of us not being able to get Aspen renewed. She said there's no way to remotely do it from our vehicles without being directly plugged into the network at McNeese.
Okay. So okay, then these things when I was I know there is a restriction on the location, but because of the situation that we are in, there should be ways in terms of overcoming this, but that needs to come from Aspen itself. So we need to ask the right questions to Aspen guys, where they might have figured out a solution already. So let me follow up. I have that in my list of to do things. So I will do that and copy Ramona on it and see what the response from Aspen is. Okay.
Okay, I just wanted to bring it to attention right now because if this is something that doesn't get solved, let's just say a week or even halfway through the week. I mean, we only truly have 5 weeks at the most before finals.
Yeah.
And so I know I'm personally panicking because our senior design still has things to do, and then plus doing something on Aspen that I'm definitely not an expert at, and I know a lot of the process that I've been researching on so far is pretty detailed, and not to say that I couldn't do my best at putting what is right. It just I don't know. I'll feel like I'm just kind of doing whatever, like kind of just missing the point.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I also want to tell everybody, don't get panicked. Okay, so if there is a human is going to grade you, and you are all humans. It's not a computer that is going to decide whether you did the work or not based on the interactions and the work that you guys are doing and have done so far. Whoever is grading, I'm not talking about myself. Just don't get panicked and say, "Hey, I don't have it. What is the rubric? What is that? What is this? What is this?"
Okay. Because like when you mentioned something about the basic engineering package, we looked up what all that includes, and half of it I have no idea how to do.
So
like at all, but
yes.
Okay. That's good.
So since we don't have access to Aspen, it does not mean we cannot work at all. But there are certain ways to work around Aspen and still get things done. It may not be as pretty as like Aspen will do the whole thing, but we can still do certain things, and depending on the situation, we can come to some kind of arrangement for that. So right now, if you don't have Aspen, I will give few suggestions when we go through the process, and if you can do those things, then that will take care of that. Okay? As long as you show the work based on what is given, that's all we are looking for. depending on the tools you have. With that said, those guys who are having Aspen already, just don't say, hey, I don't have Aspen. Because there is more work if you don't have Aspen. But at the same time, I will grade that based on who does not have Aspen and who does.
Okay, like I said, I just wanted to make sure, and I know you also are not really sure of things too right now, but I just wanted to get it out there. So thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So yeah, if you guys are have the Moodle open, did you guys see the quiz right now? Oh, you see it. Okay. So go ahead and answer those 4 questions, and let me know. I will be silent for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, and I will come back to it once you finish those questions. Okay. Okay. See. So some of you are still working. Okay. Take 5 more minutes. Hey, do not go to 412. It is on the quiz is on 407. Ashley, can you hear me? Yeah, please go to 407, not 412.
I got in.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay. So guys, like 5 to 6 people still have not answered. Right, Dr. Griffith? Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah. So, yeah. No, so you want everything to be done April 2nd for that, except for the. Oh, uh-huh. Sure. Oh, you mean for to the students? Yeah, sure. Mm-hmm. So Aspen is telling that they cannot do extend the license without being on site. Uh, oh. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Sure. Yes. Okay, doctor. No problem. Okay. Sure. Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Hey guys. So if you're some of you still doing it, it should not take that much time. But anyways, the class average is 8.76. So hopefully after the quiz time is over, you will be able to see what the correct answer is. I don't know how that works, but it should say correct answer or wrong. I did not put like a lot of feedback in this quiz, so hopefully I will try to put if for the future quiz any feedback to the wrong answers if needed. Okay, Moodle gives the answers. Okay, good. Yeah, I just want to try. Now I never did this before, so I thought I will try and see how this works for like short quizzes. High average is equal to direct correlation to high quality and stuff. Okay, then I was hoping everybody to answer, so it's not. I'm not instructing properly. Okay, so yeah, Dr. Griffith just called to say that they have they will not be able to extend the Aspen license. So we will work around it to see what we can do. So because today is already March 23rd, and those who have Aspen, you said 12. Dr. Griffith was saying 2nd. I thought you guys told me the license is valid till 12th. Is this correct, or it's different for each one of you? Okay. Okay. So, okay. So Kennedy's will expire on April 2nd. Okay. So, anyways, when I initially when I worked on this project, the one I gave you, I actually did most of the things without Aspen's help because we didn't have license for Aspen during that time. So there are ways to do this without using Aspen, um, and I'm not going to hold on in terms of uh, the answers, but I will definitely look into the approach that you guys are taking. The reason whether we have Aspen or not, Aspen is just a tool to minimize the work that we have to do. I hope everybody understands that. The reason why we are relying on Aspen is so that we can do a lot of work in a short amount of time. So if we don't have Aspen, we will do short amount of work in the time that is given. Okay, so there is a direct or reversible correlation between the two that we can make use of. So everybody is with me. We don't want to skip the skills that we want to learn because of we don't have Aspen, correct? Yes or no? No? Okay. So we do not want to limit our learning of skills because we don't have Aspen, right? Yes. So we will continue the different. We will continue learning things, but probably without the help of Aspen, especially some of you don't have it. So those who have it, at least make use of Aspen before your license expires, so that any information that is needed for your design, you save that in an Excel form. I hope everybody knows how to save their summary sheets from Aspen in terms of an Excel format, and so that you don't have to open Aspen program to get your data. Okay, so whether it is like a design sheet that whether if you're designing a heat exchanger and it's giving a design information like what's the sheet, the specification sheet for each equipment, whether you want to download that or whether you want to download your summary sheet, please go ahead and download that as of today, and then keep working on the like you can save your files in different versions, and then at the end of the day you save it in the format that you want, so that you can make use of the data. Okay, so everybody clear on that? Okay, so I have a few dates that I came up with, so you guys can prepare yourself for the monthly presentation on Capstone. Dedicate I would say it's taking 30 minutes is not actually really working, so because we want to give a feedback also. So what we'll do is, so what will Yeah, so they like right now, the university is not prepared for the Joseph, and nobody from today is allowed to be there. So, yeah, yeah, I will do that. Like that is my goal eventually to get you what exactly you are going to do. Okay, but please bear with me since I have like other classes to prepare. Um, so, so the second monthly presentation is scheduled from April 1st to April 8th for 1 hour. Okay, scheduled for 1 hour from April 1st to April 8th for the second monthly presentation for capstone. Okay, just to be clear, second monthly presentation is from 1 hour slots. April 1st to April 8th. Okay. So you guys can do that, and and then you can take the spring break. Okay. Let's see how the calendar looks like. Yeah, that is a Wednesday, and from Friday it's a spring break. Okay, so that works out good. Okay, and the final presentation for capstone. So everything is online. So what we are doing is we are going to book the slots, and then we will do the same way how we are doing our weekly presentation. Everybody will have their videos and audio, and each one will present their work. We will have the presentation on the shared content mode, and you guys will go through your part of your work, and then we'll have some feedback from what and how things can be done or done for the project. Okay. So everybody, can you please have an idea of what our current standing in all our classes? Yes, I got your email, Joseph. So I will like the quiz that you have. You can see the grade, right? Similarly, I will. I think I got all your quiz that we have done in class. I will grade them, and then I will post it on Moodle. So you'll have the current standing. Okay, but it will take some time. Okay, any other questions? So the final presentation, unfortunately, we have to do this also online. Okay, so the final capstone presentation is going to be April 25th to April 25th and 27th. April 25th and 27th, which is a Friday and a Monday. Okay, that is the final capstone presentation. Make sure you are available or the both days. So let me know if you cannot attend, but I'm giving 25th is Saturday, so probably I think wrong. Yeah, that's 24th today. Twenty-fourth and 27th. Okay. So the more you work on your second monthly presentation and get things done, taken care of, that will give you I will give you enough feedback there, so you can work in the spring break and complete and get ready to do the presentation on the 4th. And I have seen like 60% of the class is actually more than where they should be at this point on capstone, but the remaining 40% they are catching up. So hopefully, with more time that we are doing every week on your specific project, we can get others also to catch up and get this taken care of. Okay, can you please explain our 407? Okay, yeah, I will do that. Let me update on our 407 project little bit, and then tomorrow in our lab class, I will explain more on that process. Ashley, is that okay? Okay. So, any questions on the capstone? So the only thing I require is if I want everybody to attend those final capstone presentations. So it's not going to be just the presenters. I want the class to be there as part of the requirements. So if for some reason you cannot make it, you need to get an excuse before 24th and 27th. And I'm trying to do that as like a webinar. It may not be like this, but still very close. But I have to first try that. Is there a time range you would like us to schedule everything in? You mean the final presentation, Erica? Yes. So what we'll do is, so we have in total 9 projects. So I am hoping that we do like 5 projects on Friday, and then 4 projects on Monday. Okay, so 5 projects on 24th and 4 projects on 27th. And I will and you can send me your preferred timings. Please send the preferred timings on either either of the days. But what we'll do is we don't want to have like an online lunch. So we will pick like an afternoon. So if we start like 3, 4, 5, 6, so I'm thinking like 40 minutes each session. So 40 times 5, 200 minutes. Like 3 hours, 3 hours 20 minutes. So how about we start at 1 o'clock and then we finish at 3:20.
4:20.
Between 1 and 3:20, each slot is for 40 minutes. Yeah, everybody should at least wear a shirt. Okay, so if we do that, is that my calculation right? Is it 3 was 2, 3, 4? Was actually 1 to 4:20, correct? Yeah, it's like a long movie, Erica. If you go to a movie, there is no break in the movie, right? Okay, so my timing is wrong. So it's 40 minutes for 5 presentations is 3 hours 20 minutes. So it's 2, 3, 4, 4, 1 to 4:20 on Friday, and then it will be less than that for it's only 2 hours 40 minutes, 2 hours. So 1 to 2:40 on Monday.
3:40.
So, Dr. Boston, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, so my question was, like, I know I didn't explain it right, but when you are given a lecture, you share the screen that you have that shows your PowerPoints from your computer, right?
Yes.
So is the way that we're going to do this is we'll just email you our PowerPoint presentation and things of that such, and then you'll just kind of switch from each group?
Yeah, no, you basically, one of the persons from your group is going to share your presentation from your screen.
Okay.
Okay, and then you will go through the presentation while other team members are presenting.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to practice, we will practice that on our either in our weekly meeting we can practice. Some of you already did. So tomorrow if you want to try and do that, we can do it. So that you can do like a for the second monthly presentation, we definitely want to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we are doing good planning for as of today. Any questions on everybody watches the presentation? Yes. And there will be a Q&A. So you will not directly ask the question, but you will type in the question. So your presentation is for 30 minutes, and then the question and answer session is 10 minutes. Yeah, yeah. Your CHEN 412 for me it's straightforward. Okay, so the reason why I am using this time is to make sure that everybody not to go in panic mode. Okay, so that's exactly why I wanted to speak to everybody, all of you at the same time, because it's all mainly the repeatable questions. So I appreciate you guys accepting that offer and making smooth for the way we want to run this semester. Okay, so you can always make the 407 project easier. Yeah. So see, like it's very difficult for an instructor to say, hey, everybody is getting an A. Okay? You don't want to do that. It's basically I am cheating you all if I say that. So don't take me wrong. We have to do if we will try what we can do. That's the way I can put. If we don't give a try and then we'll take things as granted, we are not going to succeed in the later chapters. Okay? So we tend to try to take the shortcut, but taking shortcut is not always a best solution. It's trying to do whatever we can, and then leave it to the nature, whatever that intends to do. So right now, that's what happened, right? The nature is directing some of the things that the way we are living today, as of today. We don't have much control over it, so we cannot do much. But in terms of working on 407 project, I see there is still potential to work on it, even though we are facing challenges in front of it. So how is your so I guess the athletics training and all, is it still going on, or are you guys also working from home?
All the sports for Southland Conference are cancelled, so no athletics at all.
No athletics. Okay, so you have to work more then. You have more time than you already planned, correct?
Well, I mean,
The rodeo team was shut down as well. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, it's I know it looks like end of the world, but yeah, I know some people. One of my friends who is working in a major analytical company, they are close to figuring out a medicine that works for within 12 hours for this. So that is he's my family friend, and this is my first time information. Don't share to, do not propagate this further. I'm just telling you to comfort our class. So this guy is he and his wife. They're both working on the same company, and they are doing this analytical work on the specific medicine in terms of whatever their work duties are. I cannot disclose that, but they are close to finding that medicine. So once that is done, hopefully we will have a cure for this virus, and we can come back to normal. But still, it won't be as fast as like within a month to get things normal. That is my thing, but hopefully in summer sometime it will come, and we will start seeing some changes. Okay?
Dr. Pisan, can I ask a question?
Yeah, but don't follow whatever is posted on President's Twitter page for taking medicines. Okay.
Dr. Pisan, I just wanted to ask, with Aspen running out, is it safe to assume a lot of that case study we were assigned we'll have to do by other means? Like, because I know with it running out, it's kind of a large portion of our project, so we're kind of going to rush to get as much out of it as we can and export everything before kind of that. I think mine's April 2nd, so I got a little over a week.
Mm-hmm.
So is it safe to assume I should kind of really focus on my senior project and getting that all that data exported before really worrying about the...
Yeah, I think to make it easy, what I would say is use your time on Aspen for your senior project. Don't worry about using Aspen for 407. Okay, and I will let you know what can be done on 407 in tomorrow's class for getting the basic engineering package, and I think we can do better than Aspen. Okay. 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 So anything else in terms of dates? So we will not have any. There is no exam for 407. Okay, there is no final exam for 407. As long as you submit your. Okay, I did not give the date for that. Right? So the 407 case study due is May 1st. So I want.
Why don't you send emails?
Okay, so I will put this on Moodle so that you can submit your case study online, and you will not be able to submit the case study after 5 p.m. Okay, so if you happen to submit it, that will not be graded. So that is the only condition I have for case study submission, and you will not have no final exam for 407, and there is no final exam for 412, but you will have this. Okay, so pretty much after May 1st, you are all done, right? Like, at least respect to the 3 classes that we are taking. So after May 1st, you will not see me on webinar. Why? You don't think you will graduate, Joseph? Okay. Yeah, I am teaching this summer, so I will be probably doing online again in summer. So I am teaching advanced chemical reaction engineering. This is a graduate level course. Those who are signed up for master's program. Again, so if any of you are thinking of graduate program, just to give you a heads up, so each course is given only once in 2 years because we don't have that many students in the graduate program. So yeah, that is beyond my pay grade. Ashley, hopefully you will hear from the Dr. Adrian or the president, Berko, okay, about the graduation. Okay, so if you are for some reason if you are thinking of doing any graduate courses, I'm teaching that advanced chemical reaction engineering and also stage-wise operations. Stage-wise operations I'm teaching this summer, plus engineering economics. So those are the 3 courses I am teaching this summer. But most of you, except few, I think some of you are not graduating because I did not see all your names in the graduating list. So probably some of you will stick around. So let's see. Okay, any questions, or do we need any dates to finalize? Did I miss anything in terms of for you guys to give you dates for your planning purposes? Any questions, guys? If not, we'll wrap this session and we will meet you tomorrow at 12:30.